How will I make money with AI in Kenya starting from zero? Now, most people in Kenya think AI is for engineers and programmers with university degrees, but that is wrong. Right now, there are people in Nairobi, people with no degree, people with no capital, and just a phone with internet, and they are making over 50,000 shillings every single month using AI, and they're just using AI tools that are completely free to access. Now, and most of them are, you'll find that most Kenyans are sleeping on this opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would make money with AI in Kenya if I was starting from zero today. I'll show you 5 methods, the real income numbers, platforms you can sign up on today. Okay, so let us break it down, starting with number 1, which is AI freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr. So here is the truth about freelancing in Kenya 2026. Most people making the most money on Upwork and Fiverr are not working harder than everyone else. They are just working faster because they are using the artificial intelligence. So let me explain why. A client on Upwork pays 5,000 shillings for a blog article. Now without AI, this will take you 3 hours to write. But with ChatGPT, the same article will take you 30 minutes. That means in one day you can deliver what used to take you a week to prepare. So that's how freelancers in Kenya are now earning between 15,000 to 60,000 every single month. Not by doing more work, but by just using AI to multiply the output. Okay. Now, what skills can you offer today? Is it content writing? Is it social media caption? Or is it email newsletter? Is it video script or translation? Or is it virtual assistant? All of this can be done faster and better using AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI. So you don't need the experience. You need to learn the tools, practice for 2 weeks, and start applying. And that's it. Number 2 is AI content service for local businesses. Now, AI content for local businesses, this one is the most underrated, and it is the fastest way to make money in Kenya right now. So here's the problem most businesses in Kenya have or they face. They know they need to be on social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. But they do not have time to create content every day, and they cannot afford a big marketing agency. Okay, and that is where you come. You walk into a restaurant, or a boutique, or a salon, or even a small business, and then you offer to manage their social media content for about 5,000, 15,000 a month. Okay, it is you who is going to use ChatGPT to write the captions and Canva to design the posts. You schedule everything using the free tools.